Hi guys, it's Coach Sam here, and I am here to deliver a beautiful, peaceful 5-minute meditation with you guys. So, real simple, real easy. You're just gonna take a deep breath, hold it. As you're taking that deep breath for 4 seconds, you're gonna hold it for 7 seconds and then exhale with 8 seconds. I'm gonna talk you through this and I'm gonna give you a guided meditation. So just stay tuned and listen along and just grab a comfy mat, a pillow, anywhere. Right now I'm in the park, so there's jet skis and there's kids laughing. We have playgrounds and dogs. I'm choosing to meditate in a natural habitat of just an environment. Sometimes chaos makes me calm, but you choose either to listen in, find some music to go along with you as well. So I'm here on a comfy mat. We're gonna take deep breaths together and get into it. So I want you to inhale 4 seconds. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold it for 7. And then release 8. Close your eyes. Keep them open, however you like. Do it again, and we're inhaling 4 seconds, holding it for 7, exhaling for 8 seconds. In our busy lives, we do a lot of different things, work, children, we have tons of things going on, and this is where we take the time for ourselves, take the 5 minutes of the day. If you're at work, if you're in a car and you park it in a parking spot, please don't do this while you're driving, and just take the time and enjoy the peace, enjoy the nature, enjoy the jet ski, and just take the sounds for what they are and live in the moment. And inhale, holding it, exhale. Be mindful of your surroundings, listen to the air, feel the earth, feel grounded. Take the time for you, enjoy the peace. Feel the breeze of nature if you're outside. It's December. So if you're inside by a warm fire, enjoy that as well. And inhale, holding, and exhaling. Understand this is time for you. You don't just work out your body, you work out your mind, your soul, everything that comes in between it because we are whole. Inhale. Exhale, relax. It's December, maybe you're imagining yourself on a jet ski. And now we're just gonna take this moment of silence and just do this together and breathe. Hear the children in the background. There's airplanes and jet skis. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Take the 5 minutes for yourself, weekly, daily. It's always good to listen to your mind and your body. I'm Coach Sam with Svelte Training. Like, subscribe, click below, and watch some more videos that we have for you. See you guys in the next one.